In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or clear autofill in Google Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser, click on the three dots at the top of the screen, then you select delete browsing data. Once it's opened, you click on advanced. In the advanced section, uncheck all other options here. Then you check or you tick only the autofill form data. Then you click on delete data. Another way to delete autofill in your Chrome browser is to open up the settings page. At the left hand side of this page, you select autofills and passwords. Now, select Google Password Manager and you click on Settings. Now, toggle the switch to Offer to save password and passkeys. Go back to your autofill and password page, select Payment Method. Also, off the switch to save and fill payment method. Once that is done, you go back to the autofill and password section again. Now select addresses and more. Then you switch off the button here to save and fill addresses. Now autofill in Google Chrome has been deleted or turned off for password, payments and addresses. That's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.